my main purpose to uploading this video is to motivate you. You can also join this kind of platforms. You can work there and earn money and withdraw money in your own currency. That I will help you. If you needed help, you can just go on Instagram. Hi there, my name is Lakan. Welcome back to another video. In this video I will tell you how to earn money online, as well as I would like to share with you how much I earned just working for 1 or 2 hour in a day. Of course, used to working at 3 times in a week. I'm not taking classes every day, but I used to like taking classes every day. That's why I you can say I earned almost 40,000 rupees within 15 days. Of course, it's really it's really amazing to earning just 15 days. It's the first time I earn online, and I withdraw money also. I withdraw my money from online, and the process are really easy. Whatever the process I would like to share you, I would like to help you if you will need any help. The more people have questions, more people are really confused how to withdraw money to dollars to their country. It's totally it's okay, don't worry about it. I will help you to withdraw your money if you want. So let me share with you a little bit my journey. It's the last month, you can say. I started to taking classes from especially I earned in like July, 1st July to 15 July. I earned lots of money like within 15 days. I have shared at least 40,000 rupees. So it's depend on like students, how many students do you have and how many hours you're teaching them, and that's also good. But it depends on the students. If you are getting a more student, whether you are just teaching as a 30 minutes, that's enough. So the platform name is italki that I am teaching. I'm sure you know already about italki, but you don't know how to earn money and how many languages you can teach there. I would like to share with you. You can teach there many languages. If you know Hindi, Urdu, Germany, like you can Spanish, English, and Arabic, any languages. There you will teach more than 100 languages you have. At least I'm teaching 4 languages there. I'm getting more students from my native language, like Sindhi and Urdu as well as. So I'm teaching more like Sindhi and Urdu like students there, and as well as I said, I am also teaching Hindi and English too. If I will get more students from their languages, I will have to teach them. So I am 21 years old, and in these like years that I have born in this day, I couldn't like earn this kind of money from online. Online is a really fast experience that I have a withdraw from my ATM, and I bought something, of course, from their money, and it's really excited something for me. Of course, whatever I purchased, I purchased from there. It's good. I have bought my I have purchased my laptop. I just borrow money, then after I withdraw, then I have give. It means that it's really amazing for me earning from online. I couldn't believe that really we can earn money. Okay, sometimes we are saying okay, there are dollars are available, but we can't sometimes trust. Is this really possible to withdraw in our currency? Yeah, let me talk about it. What you have to do if you are working in italki, so there is a withdraw option. You can withdraw 2 times in a month. So there's 2 options is available. The one is a Payoneer, second is a PayPal. And in your country is available PayPal. It's better, and in Pakistan we don't have. So I'm using Payoneer. Payoneer just taking a 2%, and that's totally okay for me. Of course, I don't have another option to withdraw my money as a dollar to Pakistan currency. So what I'm doing, I'm just transferring my money from italki to Payoneer. It's just minus 2%, like a $2. If I'm if I withdraw $100, it will be $98 I will receive there. Then after then it's free to withdraw to exchanging the currency. Maybe it's almost good. they are not taking more than $2 that I have experience as I have withdraw my money. More than 40,000 rupees I have withdraw that I said I have earned within 15 days. It was really awesome. I'm sure you will also. My main purpose to uploading this video is to motivate you. You can also join this kind of platforms. You can work there and earn money and withdraw money in your own currency. That I will help you. If you needed help, you can just go on Instagram. I will active always here. I'm not active nowadays on Skype. You can connect with me on Instagram. I would be happy to help you there. Just leave me a message there. I would be there as soon as possible for me. And if you don't know how to apply for italki, I will send you there a little like a link. I mean the process, all the process how to be a italki teacher. You can teach. I mean that is if you are a student, it doesn't matter if you're a student or you worker. Anyway, I mean whoever, it doesn't matter. You can earn money from online, and it's completely good for you and for me and for all us. And just the more students want to like study but they don't have money, they can also teach beside they can like earn money by teaching other students like their native language. For example, you're from India, you know about Hindi, you can teach Hindi. There are many students, many native speakers want to learn Hindi. You can teach Hindi them and they will pay you, and you can withdraw. You can also study. If you want to continue your study as a university, you can go and you can continue also. This would be more interesting also. So whatever you have to do, you have to do on yourself. Little bit you have to learn. This is about digital like networking, like something you can say about internet. Especially I'm talking about internet. You should have a good knowledge about internet, browsers, and any problems you have to learn about it, and how to withdraw. This kind of thing would be helpful for more you know. So you have to learn, and continuously there are many articles also. You go ahead and learn about it. And internet is really important. If you know a little bit internet and how to talk as a video conference, like video call, then you can teach easily. You should know how to talk, how you have a confidence to talk like face to face on camera. You should have this skill, then you can teach anywhere. Whether you are a student, doesn't matter. I'm a student, I'm 21 years old, I'm a student. Of course I'm a student, but I learned how to talk. And after doing this, I have taught many students. I got good experience by teaching many students. That's why I said you have to also try. So go ahead and apply, and link is below always. Whatever the informative links I'm putting there below description. So you will go and like join italki. Italki is good. It would be motivation for you. If you're looking for a job, it would be also good for you. Go and apply and teach you a Hindi, only Hindi, or only Urdu, and only German, only Italian, only Spanish, only English, whatever you are expert in. And I would like to best of luck from my bottom heart to you. If you need any help, go on Instagram, type Damani skills. You will find my channel logo there also. You can click that ID, follow, and send me a message. Thank you so much, and all informative link is below description. Remember this. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day going on. Thank you so much.